Okay, so let us start now. So properties of eigenvalues. So in the last class we had defined what are eigenvalues and eigenvectors. Okay, so some properties about them is first property. Let lambda 1, lambda 2 up till lambda n be the eigenvalues values of n cross n matrix. Okay, then the first claim is 1 lambda 1 plus lambda 2 up till lambda n is equal to sum of all the diagonal entries of A. This is called actually as the trace of A. It has a name. So trace of a matrix is actually the sum of the diagonal entries of the matrix. And the second thing is okay. Next is the product lambda 1 into lambda 2 into lambda 3 into lambda n. This is equal to the determinant of the matrix. Okay, so the sum is equal to the trace and the product is equal to the determinant. Okay, okay, so lambda 1 lambda 2 yeah, so let us use these properties to solve one example. uh, Example, given uh, given given a matrix with given a 2 cross 2 matrix with trace 5 and determinant 6, determinant 6 compute eigenvalues of of the matrix rather. Okay, so solution. Given matrices of, it's a 2 cross 2 matrix, so this implies it has 2 eigenvalues. Say we'll give them the names lambda 1 and lambda 2. Okay, from the above properties, what do we know? Lambda 1 plus lambda 2 is equal to 5 and lambda 1 equal to trace. This is equal to determinant of A. Okay. So now we have to simplify these two equations and get the values of lambda 1 and lambda 2. So from the first, there are two ways to solve it. You can simplify either of them and get lambda 1 in terms of lambda 2. So either you write lambda 1 is equal to 6 by lambda 2, or you write lambda 1 is equal to 5 minus lambda 2, whichever way you are comfortable with. I'll prefer to write it like this: lambda 1 is equal to 5 minus lambda 2. Okay, substituting in the other one, we'll call this as equation 1 and equation 2. This is from 1, substitute in 2, we'll get lambda 1 is equal to, so we'll get 5 minus lambda 2 into lambda 2 is equal to 6. Okay, so this is what you get. So this will leave me with 5 lambda 2 minus lambda 2 the whole square is equal to 6. Just rearranging these terms on the other side, this will leave you with okay. So if you try to find out the roots of this equation, you'll get lambda 2 is equal to minus b plus or minus b square minus 4ac. So this is going to be 24 over here upon 2 times a, that is 2. So this will leave me with plus 5 plus or minus 1 upon 2. So this will give you lambda 2 is equal to 3, that is 5 plus 1 is going to give you 3. Five plus 1 will give you 6, that is divided by 2 will give you 3, or 5 minus 1 will give you 4, divided by 2 will give you lambda 2 is equal to 2. Okay. So now put lambda 2 is equal to 3 in this equation. In this expression here, lambda 1 is equal to 5 minus lambda 2. Substitute in that. So this will leave you with lambda 1 is equal to 2, or lambda 1 is equal to 5 minus 2 will give you 3. So in either case, we don't keep an order important to us who is lambda 1 and who is lambda 2, right? So in either case, the values are 3 and 2 or 2 and 3, right? So it's the same thing. So thus required 2 and 3. Okay, so write down the solution. Okay, let's move on to the next subtopic here. Okay, diagonalization of a matrix. Diagonalization of a matrix. Okay, so definition, we say that n cross n matrix we say that an n cross n matrix is diagonalizable uh, if there exists, rather than saying there exists, I'll say if we can find. If we can find a an invertible n cross n matrix P such that P inverse uh, a diagonal that is P inverse AP equal to D. Okay, this are some results which I won't prove to you. Okay, these are some advanced results. Okay, so we do them only in the BSc courses, we won't do it here. So what are the results involved here? The first thing is the matrix P, if it exists, consists of the eigenvectors of A as its columns. Okay, two diagonal matrix contains the n eigenvalues. We'll get n eigenvalues for A, right? So those n eigenvalues the n eigenvalues of A as its n eigenvalues of A as its diagonal entries, and every other entry will be 0. Okay, this is a diagonal matrix. Okay, finish writing. We'll see some examples. Okay, diagonalize the matrix. One more thing we'll have to see. If a matrix if the matrix A has n distinct eigenvalues, The matrix A has n distinct eigenvalues, then A is diagonalizable. Okay, as n distinct eigenvalues, then A is diagonalizable. Uh, Fourth one will be if A has n independent, I'll say linearly independent eigenvectors, then A is diagonalizable. Diagonalizable. Okay, it's diagonalizable. Let me just explain what do I mean by linearly independent. Okay, so note two vectors in general are linearly independent if they are not scalar multiples of each other. Okay, they are not scalar multiples of each other. Okay, so કોણ મારો મોતરે they are not scalar multiples of each other. Okay, I'll explain this with an example also. So let's go to an example. So let's see an example now. The first example. Write down the first example. Diagonalize the matrix E is equal to 2 0 0 1 2 minus 1. After class we'll break some lights and all. What happened? You all got a warning I heard for breaking lights.
That's MBA.
Huh? MBA that is? Yeah, there on top. Outside FF8. अरे बायले हांव फास्ट कडे अरे पुट ऑन दैट AC नो which is there ती ऑन कर मैं तुम हाटल्या बसता ही किती शिरी पडत का
बंद करा आणि परत चालू बाहेर सारखी असतो बंद करा आणि ती सॉकेट दुकान आपल्याला आता सॉकेट
ब्रोक मरे
त्याने मुळी वर्षा
देर बंद करो देर बंद करो
सर अटेंडेंस है
ये मारे
दीदी सर या
और मरे केएस भी सर के मरे केएस भी सर स्टाइल मर दिखाएगा
हाँ सर मच्छे खेळो नहीं
कोण करणार
तो बाय क्रिकेट खेळायचं
इतरे तुम्ही आम चोगले क्लासी भितो हेट्टाले किती जाणा आहे तर मेसेज येयल्ले आमकां आमकां फॅकल्टी ग्रुपार मेसेज धाडले तेमी भुरगीं हेट्टा म्हण थिंगा Okay, so diagonalize the matrix. So the first thing will be Wingle re burge hal exam I say that hey step 1 find the eigenvalues of हे कोण रे बाटली घेऊन आता क्लास आहे ना
सर उदकाची वाटी
हा उदका सांग बरं उदकाची बाटली म्हणून
बाटली घेऊन सरांचं नाव आहे
2 minus this thing 0 0 So this will be determinant will be equal to 2 minus lambda into 2 minus lambda into minus 2 minus lambda plus 3. The remaining terms are 0 if you expand the determinant along the first row. Okay. So this is 2 minus lambda. This is lambda minus 2. I'll just exchange the sign here. I took the minus sign out from this and multiplied into this. This will leave me with this. Lambda square to minus 2 lambda. There will be another plus 2 lambda, so that will cancel. What will remain is only minus 4. Minus 2 lambda and plus 2 lambda cancel, no? Okay. Lambda square minus 1. This is 2 minus lambda. This can be written as lambda minus 1 into lambda plus 1. You all know this factorization, no? I'll just write it up for those of you who have forgotten. X square minus a square is equal to x minus a into x plus a. Okay, just keep these things in mind, easy things.
Sir, I say 2 दिन ना total तीनों था IC दिन.
I finished only 2 ICs.
Yeah, 2. So IC 4 will be the last one. And
We'll have a ISA on this thing, We'll have a ISA on Friday, that's okay?
This Friday?
Yeah, day after tomorrow.
फिर जाओगे ना sir.
Arey no re, Friday morning Jyoti ma'am's lecture is there, no she's not taking. So I'll take that lecture now, I'll teach all some formulas. I'll teach all some formulas.
राव रे.
Arey hi Greg.
एक पाक भी.
So I'll teach all some formulas to find derivatives. 12th standard syllabus it is of derivatives and finding maxima minima of functions.
त्यांनाच शिकय त्यांनाच question.
Yeah, so morning I'll teach all, evening we'll take the open book ISA.
सर एक काम कर.
Open book.
Sir, एक
You all
काम
want
कर.
then we can make groups also.
Open book.
सकाळी ऐसे काय सांगते टीसी को.
Sir same तसं.
Everyone is okay, no? Morning 9:30 to 11:30 will solve the problems.
Wow.
Taja mere marks subeza sa he wants to score a 0 or something. Yeah. How will you get some marks if you answer the CA in the morning, ISA in the morning and study in the evening? Okay, inform everyone. And the ISA on Wednesday is what I finished up till today evening. Means one more problem I'm doing, after that it's done. Graphs na re, ench re. Graphs na. Graphs na dida. Linear algebra only. Linear algebra ISA is on 30th. Padle nahi? Next Wednesday. How come? And 31st is Diwali.
Yeah.
किधर है यूनिवर्सिटी 30th क्लास होता थी? No, if you all are scoring good marks on the Friday CA, then don't come on Wednesday, no?
Yeah. Sir, if someone had first I say attend to now.
ते काही नाही तू वाच नाही.
Okay, how final?
हो.
Sir, here algebra is on 30th and what we will be having on Friday for?
Derivatives and maxima minima तिथला आहे 12th standard syllabus नाही.
Okay, open book है. Thank you.
Any other questions? Difficult लागताला group CA पासून करूया रे.
Group exam.
Group जाय तुमका ना single जाय, you all tell. Group means how many big groups you all want?
Sir, 4.
That's all right.
Okay, 3.
Yes.
60 जण करूया आम्ही.
10 people you want. I want those people in my team.
No, 3 is enough.
Those people you want in my team. I want Shreyas Iyer. I want Shreyas in my team.
So thus
अरे व्यूअर्स शेयर सावत आणि एग्जाम की
this implies hey, when is your final paper? By the way, timetable ले लो. You didn't get your timetable? I told him keep it on Wednesday or Friday, so that I can come for supervision. Only one class I'll be supervising, other class somebody else will supervise, huh? Semester end बता रहा हूँ. हाँ?
सर एक काम कर, first half एक class में और second half दूसरे class में.
है, session लाइना है.
सर सवाल equivalent है.
इक्वल ऑफर
ये भी.
Okay, so the eigenvalues we found out are 2, 1 and -1. Okay? Okay, so step 2 is find eigenvectors now. Well, we'll study for the semester end and come at least. Last year the students didn't study also.
सेमिस्टर एंड 40 मार्क्स
Passing combined, na re?
कंबाइंड
Yeah, so last year the full class had scored above 40 in the internal so and kept, no? The final account शिकवणी हो ना.
इंटरनल एक consider बाकी का चार.
3, best 3, no?
बेस्ट मिलेगा तो दाल चालू करा भाई चालू
So to find eigenvectors.
आगे खेल होता है
Find eigenvectors. First, for lambda is equal to 2. So a minus 2i बता. हाँ किती आहे रे घरा होता किती आहे रे तू. But inform them, huh?
फ्राइडे
Yeah. Otherwise people should not bunk on Friday. वाट लागते सगळ्यांची.
सर बम मागणी त्यांना माझे नेक्स्ट आयसन रिपोर्ट आणि माझे नेक्स्ट आयसन
करता सर
a minus 2i. A minus 2i, so 0, 0. What happened, Ray? Came to charge your phone only? She. 0. अरे होने में था रे 1 3 minus 4 1 3 so x1 x2 why he went? You all said something to him. So I'll do here, I'll change R3 to R3 minus R2. So that will give me
That is nothing. You are not in this. Okay.
0 3 okay, this much is enough. Going further will not give us anything different. We'll get only better numbers. Instead of 3 we can make this little 1 and this is 5 by 3 and we can use this to kill this. No, you can't kill anyone further. That's all. Except for changing to 3 to 1, nothing else can be done. Okay. So x1 minus x3 is equal to 0 and here you have 3x2. So we have two equations in 3 variables. So one variable is extra, right? You should have two equations in 2 variables, but you have 3 variables. So one variable is extra here. So what we'll do is we'll put that extra variable as something. So now notice here x3 comes in both the equations, so it's convenient to replace x3 with some number. Okay, so put x3 is equal to some k. So this is going to give you x1 is equal to k and x2 is going to be equal to 5 by 3 times k. She'll sell it in black one day. Huh? She'll sell her notes in black, I'm saying one day, outside the exam hall. You know, when I was a student, my notes used to sell like that. And I used to not know who was doing it. So like I remember once outside the exam hall, I was just trying to enter. There was one boy who rarely used to come to class. And he's standing there and he's studying for my notes. I was like, who gave you this notes? Somebody gave his thing. That somebody, I also don't know who's that somebody. Huh? No, 10, 15 years back. That was the time when people used to Xerox things. Okay, so we'll put k is equal to 1 for simplicity reasons. So x1 is 1, x2 is 5 by 3 times k and this is 1. So this is your required eigenvector over here. Okay, so let us find the eigenvectors for the next this thing. for lambda is equal to 1. So A minus 1 times I, this matrix multiplied by x1, x2, x3 Who bothered you? Hey, kid get bothered you? Hey, what's in your hand, Ray? What it is, Budweiser?
So you don't get Budweiser on Swiggy Instacart.
Why?
They don't have.
Okay, A minus I we have to do. Let me just check what are the values of A first. So 1, 1 minus 3. 1, 1 minus 3. Let me just check again to be sure. 1, 1 minus 1, 3 minus 2. Okay, so this is A minus 1 I will be this. Try to write faster because we have to solve only one more problem, then we are going home. Okay, so this is what we get. $100. So change R2 to R2 minus R1. R3 also change to R3 minus R1. Okay, so that will reduce the matrix to 1, 0, 0, 0, 1 minus 1 and 0, 3 minus 3. So this is a very obvious thing. So RP will have to be changed to 3 times R2. Okay, that was this thing. What happened? What you drank that you became so excited? Like, huh? You're so happy, like.
So he started to rap.
Which cold drink helps you in doing that? Huh? Are you worried about Swiggy not giving you Budweiser? What if that machine outside starts giving Budweiser over there? Huh? What is good? They have to just put one can inside over there. Okay, so this now will give you that x1 is equal to 0, x2 minus x1, x3 sorry, is equal to 0. So you're left with only two equations in three variables. Okay. So one extra variable will give it some name. So again x3 will put it as, let x3 is equal to 1. Okay. Instead of putting k, I'll directly put it as 1 now. Okay. This will imply that x2 is equal to x3. This will give you a 1. Okay. Take this on the other side, you get x2 is equal to x3. And here you already have x1 is 0. So your vector over here becomes 0, 1, 1. Okay, so two vectors we have got, one more vector corresponding to -1. Okay, clearly what we have to do next is What should be done next is R2 should be changed to R2 minus 1 by 3 times R1. So this will leave you with 3, 0, 0, 0, 3, minus 1, 0, 0. So after multiplying this now, you'll conclude that 3x1 is equal to 0, 3x2 minus x3 is equal to 0, this directly implies that 3x1 is 0, so x1 has to be 0. Here you'll get, you have one extra variable, right? So put it as this thing. So put x3 as 1. So this will imply that 3x2 minus 1 is equal to 0. So take it on the other side, you'll get x3 is equal to 1 by 3. Okay, rather we'll do one thing, we'll put this number as 3. Okay, put it as 3 so that x2 comes equal to 1. Otherwise you'll have to write 1 by 3 over there. Okay, so 0, 1, 3. I purposely took 3 over here to avoid a denominator. You can choose any number. One, 3. Okay, so step so P should be equal to all the eigenvectors you have found as their column vectors. Let one very important thing here is this columns of P should be in the same order as the eigenvalues over here. Okay, so this first eigenvalue is here 2. The first column is the eigenvector of 2. Okay, so this is the eigenvector of this is eigenvector of plus 1, and this is eigenvector of minus 1. One very important thing here is order should be same as in D. Okay, so if you're writing 2, 1, minus 1 over here, the eigenvector should be 2, 1 and minus 1. If you're writing minus 1, 1, 2, then the eigenvectors also should be in that order over here. Okay, this is very important. If you write this wrong, then the matrix P is going to be wrong. Okay, so whichever eigenvalue comes first, that fellow's eigenvector also should be coming first. Okay, step 4, verify. For the exams, you don't have to do this. P inverse AP is equal to D. Or instead of doing that complicated thing, easier way will be PD. Okay, no need to find inverse of P. Directly do AP is equal to PD and see whether their RHS is equal to ILHS. Okay, this you will verify at home. Okay, verify this at home. This is not important now. For exams, you don't have to do this. So we'll do the next problem and then we'll stop. Okay, so next question, solution. We'll do stepwise. I'm just finding the determinant. Minus lambda. This is lambda square minus 1. As I told you in the previous problem, this is x square minus a square. This can be written as lambda I'll take the minus sign common from here, make this plus 1 into lambda plus 1, and this is anyways plus 1 into lambda plus 1. Okay, so what do you see here? From all the three terms, lambda plus 1 is coming out common. Okay, so lambda plus 1 comes out common from here. So what remains inside is minus lambda minus 1 plus 1 plus 1. That's all. Okay, so this will become, let me go up. So this will become on simplification minus lambda square plus lambda plus 2. Okay, so thus if we have a minus lambda I equal to 0, then we will get lambda plus 1 minus 1 plus or minus root over b square, uh, b square minus 4ac, so minus 4 into 2 into minus 1, so this will give me a plus here. 4ac, no, so 8. 4 into 2 into minus 1, so it will give you minus 8, that will be plus 8 because there was a minus sign here, upon 2 times a, so that will be 2 times minus 1. So minus 1 plus or minus root 9 upon minus 2. So this will become minus 1 plus or minus 3 upon minus 2. By the way, this is lambda is equal to okay, or this is the case. Now this is or minus 1 plus 3 upon minus 2 or lambda 1 minus 1 minus 3 upon minus 2. So this will give you plus 2 upon minus 2, that will give you minus 1. This will give minus 4 upon minus 2, that will give you plus 2. Clear? Okay, so let us find the eigenvalues now. Step 3, step 2. So a minus a minus minus 1 So this matrix over here becomes 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1. Okay. X1, oh sorry, we'll do this. Okay, so we have one equation in. So how many variables are extra? Sorry, three variables. Two variables are extra. So let x2 is equal to some k and x3 is equal to some l. Sorry, x3 is equal to l. Okay, so this implies that x1 is equal to okay, so this will mean that the required vector will be, so we are dealing with the case of a repeated eigenvalue. So when you have repeated eigenvalues, you have to do like this, as I told you. Okay, so minus k minus l, so k l. So this can be written as minus k 0 plus minus l 0 l. This will become k times minus 1 0 1. Sorry, and L times minus 1 0 1. Okay. Notice here we have got two eigenvectors which are not scalar multiples of each other. You cannot multiply something in the first vector and get the second vector. Right now, nothing can be multiplied in the first vector and you can get the second vector, and vice versa also. Nothing multiplied in the second vector will give you the first vector. So this is what we call as linearly independent. Okay. So we get two eigenvectors.
Please go out.
Okay. Now the next one remained there. That one will do, and then we are done. So lambda is equal to 2. No, another 5 minutes it will take. So minus 2, minus 2, minus 2, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. X1, X2. I'll just simplify this matrix a little. So I'll use R2. R2 is changed to R2 minus R3. R1 also I'll change. R1 is changed to R1 plus 2 times R3. So this is 1, 1 minus 2. Subtracting this from this will give me 0, minus 3. This will become plus 3. Subtracting plus 2, adding plus 2 over here will give me 0. 2 times this will give me plus 3. And this will be minus 4. Give me with this. No need to write at x1, x2, x3 again. We'll just save our time. Okay. Further, what operations I'll perform are I'll kill R1. Okay, so R1 will be changed to R1 plus R2. So that will leave me with 0, 0, 0, 0 minus 3, 3, 1, 1 minus 2. No read. So then replace the next thing. Next step I'll do here only. R2 I'll change it to 1 by 3 times. One by 3 times R2. So that will leave me with minus 1, 1, 1 1 minus 2. Next step I'll do is I'll take this and I'll kill this other people here. Okay, so thus after all the simplification, what remains here is zero 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 minus 1 1 1 0 minus 1. Now let us write it in okay, so this gives you the system of equations as minus x2 plus x3 is equal to 0, and this will give you as x1 minus x3 is equal to 0. So you have two equations in three variables, right? One extra variable you substitute as something.
So x1 is equal to x3, right?
Yeah. We'll give it a name now first, then we'll write. Finish writing. Okay, write this way.
So it's 1 minus 1.
Yeah, so I'll write here, put x3 is equal to something, x3 is the extra variable leg, so we'll put x3 as 1. So then observe that you'll get x2 is also, then x2 will also come equal to 1. Substitute over here, we'll get, take x2 on the other side, so x2 is equal to 1. Here x1 minus 1 is equal to 0, so take 1 on the other side.
x1 is equal to 1.
So the vector is 1 1 1. Okay. So what is the matrix P? You will finish writing. So what is the matrix? Write down all the three vectors which I have written down. Here it is. Okay. Step 4. So P is equal to minus 1 1 0 minus 1 0 1 and 1 1 1. So what should be D? Keep in mind you are using the same order, minus 1 and 2. Okay. For homework during a free time, you can verify. For exam, stop at this point. Okay. Means write this. Hence, P inverse AP is equal to D. For homework, step 4 has to be done. If you'll get time, Rauri. Okay, verify this. For exams, don't do this, You all will waste a lot of time in this. Just believe what you all have done is correct. Okay? One last counter example I'll give for 1 minute and then we'll stop. This matrix is not diagonalizable. Okay? Because if you go to see now A minus lambda I, this comes out as 1 minus lambda 1 minus lambda. Okay, so A minus lambda I equal to 0 gives you 1 minus lambda into 1 minus lambda is equal to 0. So what does this imply? Lambda is equal to 1. You get the same eigenvalue twice, right? So now, if you do A minus I, 1 times I, this is only a 2 by 2 matrix, so we have to do only for 2 people, x1, x2. So this will become 0, 1, 0, 0. So this will imply that we get only one equation, that is x2 is equal to 0. Okay, x2 is 0 and x1 can be anything. Okay. There is no restriction on x1, so x1 can take any value. Okay, x1 can take any value. Okay, x1 can take any value, so this will give you. So the eigenvector will be getting us. Put any number which you feel like putting in this thing. So thus we have only one eigenvector. And hence cannot okay, we require two eigenvectors no to form matrix P, so we are getting only one, so that cannot be done. Okay, clear? So with this we are done with this chapter. Okay, so study well for the ISA on Wednesday. Remember what is the syllabus. I had given you all 2 sure shot problems earlier, I suppose somebody shared with you all, no? And there will be one problem on finding eigenvectors, eigenvalues and diagonalization. Okay, so that's all. Okay, so we'll stop with that. Bye bye.